How to use ChatGPT for your Facebook post. Well, hi everyone, it's me Lana from Create, Login and Delete. Please make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first step is to open your ChatGPT sites and make sure you are logged into your account. The ChatGPT sites can be used not only for the Facebook but also for other social medias. So right now I want to post a picture of a view of mountain on Facebook. And for this post I need some top-notch captions so that my Facebook post would look attractive. So let's take some help with ChatGPT website. So here in this section you need to enter a command as write a Facebook caption about view of mountain. And then click on this arrow. The ChatGPT website will start to generate a caption for your Facebook post. There you can see that it has already generated a caption for your post. If you want more options for the caption, then here in this section you can write a command as show more caption on this topic. The AI will start to generate more caption for your Facebook post. So there you go, it has generated several captions which can be useful for your Facebook post. It hasn't generated only the caption but also hashtag for the post. Using hashtag can throw your post to a lots of audience. So you can choose any of these caption and the hashtag to make your Facebook post more attractive. So this was for today and this was the tutorial video on how to use ChatGPT for your Facebook post. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.